everybody, Tyler here. I am with Remax House of Real Estate and Dione Irwin's real estate team in Airdrie. Today I am here doing a virtual open house for one of our listings at 403-2461 Baysprings Link. I'm going to turn around the camera and show you around. Alright, so this is the outside of the building. It's a lovely townhome project here in the southwest corner of Airdrie, built by Hunter Developments. This home is 2 years old. This is the parking stall. So this home has a single attached garage. It's oversized, and inside there's a hobby bay and extra storage, which I'm going to show you in a minute. This is the parking out front. If you didn't want to park in the garage, you have space for a vehicle on the driveway. You also have visitor parking, lots of visitor parking. There's 2 stalls right here, and there's 2 stalls over this way. So, hi Jen, thanks for watching. I really like the exterior of these properties. They have high-end finishes. The stucco is really pretty, and then there's vinyl, some hardy board finishing up top. Let's see if I can get this thing to cooperate with me today, like this maybe. And it's got kind of an alpine aspen kind of look to the exterior. So yeah, it's really gorgeous. Hello, Michelle. Thanks for watching. Let's take you inside. Some important things that I notice as a realtor being through a lot of homes is that this door has a window in it, which doesn't seem like a big deal, but without it, this landing area is quite dark. So they thought of everything, you know. Also, it's also nice to see who's coming by when you answer the door. All right, I'm gonna take you into the garage to show you the hobby bay area, like I mentioned, and the storage. So perfect if you, well, hobbies in general. It's perfectly sized for a motorcycle though, and it's not a tiny motorcycle either. It's quite big. Lots of space. And lots of light. There's 5 lights in this place. I like this little thought out nook, and that's where you can put recycling and things like that. And then this is the extra storage and the furnace room I mentioned. So lots of space. This lady, I know her well. She loves shoes, and she's got the space she needs for her shoes. That's for sure. So some other things about this property. Hi, Lindy. Thanks for watching. Some other things about the property. It has an air conditioner, a water softener system, custom blind package. So if you were to purchase a home like this, I'm taking my shoes off in case you're wondering. If you were to purchase a home like this, most of the time, all of that stuff would be upgraded. So this is all done for you, move-in ready, lots of great high-end finishes. All right, back to the interior. Here is the landing. I love this shelving that they've added. Just pretty when you walk in, you know. And this carpet, this is a high-end stain-resistant carpet. I think it has a lifetime warranty. This is also here, I'm going to show you. This is engineered hardwood floors. No, like all the high-end finishes are in this place for sure. So as you come in, you can get a good look at the main living area. I love that. Warm yourself by the fire on the TV. Oh, and I just love this kitchen. So we have quartz countertops, soft closing. It's a gray finish, a grayish maple cabinet. I love these handles. They have an upgraded backsplash. It's gorgeous. Stainless steel appliances. And then a nice window in the kitchen. And you can see here, I'm going to take you outside in a minute, but there's nothing behind you. Nobody looking in at you, just the beautiful blue sky. Here is a look at the beautiful fridge, ice and water, dishwasher over here. And this way, we have a pantry type set of shelves and a nice tucked away half bath. It's nice to not have it right off the main living area, that's for sure. Okay, so back this way is the access to your private deck. Just let me unlock it here. And she set it up because of course it's beautiful and sunny now. I could definitely hang out here. I don't know what you guys. So you got the privacy screen there. And they've put the air conditioning unit out off of the deck so that it's not taking up space on your deck. And in the summer, you're going to really love that air conditioner. Another privacy screen. And like I mentioned, just beautiful blue skies, rolling fields, private. And it's west facing. So nice and bright, nice and warm in the summer. Love it. Okay. Take you this way and show you a few more features on the main floor. Yeah, I agree, Lindy. I do love the color palette for sure. They've upgraded the lights as well. Very beautiful. Sets the stage. Nice cozy main floor. I'll back up a little bit more. So this, sorry, I'm trying to use my gimbal thing and I'm always a little bit unskilled at it. I'll get there one day. So this is the eating area. You can have a little table here for sure, or a big table. And then you also have the eating bar. So you don't need to always set out the big table. This is the living room again. Really spacious. There's tons of room in here. And big windows. There's those custom blinds throughout. I like this little space here. This is a kind of a bonus space. She has it set up for a tiny little desk area, which that would definitely be where I set up my office. Okay, let's go upstairs. Have a look at the top floor. So this is a double master suite layout. And the laundry is up here, which is very convenient. I also like that there's space beside the washer and dryer. You wouldn't believe how many places I look at that have a super tight closet with no room to even put, you know, your cleaning solution, never mind hide your laundry. This lady, she's very, very, very clean, and everything has been freshly painted and touched up, and it's in like pristine condition. So she doesn't have any laundry sitting around like I would. This is the first master bedroom. This one faces the front of the house. So east facing. I love her curtains. And she has 2 cats sometimes You can find them in here in their little special spot. Are they there? Nope. They heard me coming. But lots and lots of closet space. Here's another look at the room. And then an ensuite. Quartz counters. The nice tile backsplash again. Oops. There we go. I got it figured out now. And tub shower. Tile floors as well. Very high end. And over this way, that's a linen closet in there. It's quite spacious, so I'll show you. It's kind of a walk-in linen. And it has a light in it. And then this would be the secondary master bedroom. It also has a large closet space. Goes all the way back there. And it's a good size room. Oops, this way. In this room you have a view of the blue skies over here. And then this is the second ensuite. Ooh, I love those flowers. They look so good. Beautiful lighting. Oops. There's a window in here, which is nice. And again, all the blinds come with. Okay. Oops. Uh-oh. I want to get this thing going here. Excuse me, folks, as I have technical difficulties.